Here's the answer for day 4, problem 1. Solve for x. We're told that these polygons are similar. Because they're similar, corresponding sides are going to be proportional. So if we match up the right sides, we can create a proportion. I think if we take that top triangle and twist it a little bit, we could say that that side there and that side there are corresponding, and that the side there would correspond to the 21. So let's create a proportion from matching those parts. 11x plus 11 corresponds to the 30, as the 77 corresponds to the 21. So here's our proportion. We want to solve this with cross multiplication. Before doing that, I'm going to reduce this fraction here. They both divide by 7. That can make the numbers a little bit easier. 11 over 3. Okay, now the cross multiplication. 3 times the 11x plus 11 is equal to the 11 times the 30. Let's divide both sides by 3. These 3's cross out, and over here 30 divided by 3 makes 10, and 10 times 11 is 110. So we have 11x plus 11 is equal to 110. Then we can subtract 11 from both sides. So we get 11x equals 99. And finally divide both sides by 11, and we get x equals 9. Now day 4, problem 2. Find the measure of angle VST. So VST, that's this angle here, and it has a single loop drawn in it. I notice that there's an angle here that has a single loop drawn in it. Because they're the same style loop, this angle is the same size as this one over here. And this angle here, we have the expression negative 27x minus 3 written on. And so here we know that this is negative 27x minus 3 as well. Notice that all 3 arcs around the outside are labeled with algebra expressions. And because arcs are equivalent to their central angles, it's basically we have that all 3 of these central angles have expressions. And we know that all the way around a circle is 360, and that can be our equation. So negative 27x minus 3 plus negative 27x minus 3 plus the negative 37x plus 2 all adds up to 360 degrees. Let's combine all the x terms together. So negative 27, and negative 37 is negative 91x. Now the constant terms, negative 3, and positive 2 combines to negative 4. And that is equal to 360 degrees. Next, let's add 4 to both sides. So we have negative 91x equals 364. And then divide by negative 91. That makes negative 4. We can take our value of x and substitute it into the algebra expression that's in that angle that we were trying to figure out. Recall that that was negative 27x minus 3. So we're putting in negative 4 for x. Negative 27 times negative 4, and then minus 3. This turns out to be 105 degrees.